Have you ever had a day when your plans didn't go the way you hoped? It can feel frustrating or disappointing, but sometimes those moments hold unexpected surprises if we slow down and look for them. If you already listened to our ZEN Kids Rainy Day Magic, you know exactly what I mean. If not, feel free to check it out for a cozy story about turning rainy day frustration into something magical. Let's start with a short mindfulness activity to help you settle in. Take a deep breath in and let it out slowly. Close your eyes if you'd like and imagine the sound of gentle rain. With each raindrop, imagine your frustration or worry washing away. The rain brings calmness and creates space for something new to grow. Let's stay here for a few more breaths. Now let's start journaling. Feel free to pause the video when you need more time to write. Here are some questions to guide you. Number 1, write about a time when something unexpected happened. How did it make you feel at first? Number 2, what is something surprising or beautiful that you noticed in that moment? Number 3, imagine rain could talk. What story would it tell you about your day? Take a moment to reflect. Read over what you wrote. Is there something you learned about yourself or your feelings? Rainy days, just like unexpected moments in life, can hold quiet treasures if we pause to notice them. May you be happy, may you be safe, and may you feel loved. Thank you for joining me today. See you next time on ZEN Journaling.